If you are feeling unhappy or sad in your life for any reason, and you're often getting negative results in your life, I'm going to share with you one tip which all successful people use in this world. But before that, see, always remember, our mind is like a factory, it's like a production house. It will produce whatever based on whatever raw material you put in. So if you put in all the time negative feelings, negative emotions, the finished product will also be like that. Now I know basically at times it could be quite frustrating, when you're feeling really depressed and sad and seeing no hopes, and somebody start giving lectures of all the positivity. Sometimes, at times it could be irritating. But think about it. If you basically plant a seed of a bitter tree, can the fruit which will come out will be sweet? It cannot. So if you basically want a sweet fruit, you need to basically put a seed of those fruits which are sweet. Likewise, if you basically want a positive results in your life, you need to basically keep putting in your mind all the positive thoughts. And that is the most important tip which all successful people do. So what you're going to do is start replacing every negative thought with a positive one. So for example, let's say when you're driving, on a road, and you come across basically a red light. See, that red light is not going to be there for the eternity. After some time, red light will basically change to the green light. Likewise, if you are applying for a job, or if you're applying for a business or a relationship, something is not working out. It does not mean basically it will not work out for the eternity. No, it will work out. Maybe the proposal you put basically for your job or for business, it is not really good enough for that particular project. So maybe what you need to do is rethink about it, what can be improved, and then try it again. Or if you're getting negative results in your relationship, think about it basically where you can actually improve in your life, and then try it again. If you keep putting positive thoughts in your mind for every negative single thoughts, I can give you basically one simple exercise. Let's say from next 24 hours, start replacing every negative thought with a positive one. And then see basically what happens in your life. How do you feel after within 24 hours? Because if you keep putting positive thoughts, positive emotions all the time in your life, then the results in your life are bound to be positive sooner or later. I repeat, sooner or later you are bound to receive positive results in your life. I will add more information in the description. If you like the video, feel free to like it, share it, or subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching it.